Folks, remember when we used to make paper airplane as kids? Well, TCL took that paper and turned it into an entire smartphone. This is the TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra. Looking at it, you won't know if you are using a high-end device or flipping through the page of a government register. The superpower of this phone is NxtPaper 5.0 display. It's so matte that even if you placed an oily paratha on it, you wouldn't see a smudge. Jokes aside, it's completely fingerprint resistant. It's a dream come true for those people who spend half their day whipping their phone screen against their sheets. If you've turned your eyes into red tube light by scrolling through your phone as in a dark all night, this phone is your chance at redemption. Its low blue light technology gives your eyes as much relief as a cold glass of lassi in a hot summer day. You can scroll for hours without eye strain. Under the hood, the processor is solid, and the RAM and storage are so massive that you can see your own memories, plus all your neighbors' memories too. During gaming, it's a remarkable cool probably because it has to maintain the cool reputation of paper. The camera is so sharp that you might get worried seeing your own reality in such high definition. Its ultra-wide lens captures the whole family in one frame, even that one uncle who is sitting crossly in the far corner. The battery life is like an old school friendship. It lasts long time. Charge it once and you can practically forget where you put your charger. And when you do plug it in, it fills up as fast as an employee running out of the office at 5 p.m. So should you buy it? If you are tired of glassy reflective screen and want a phone that feels like a premium digital diary, the TCL NxtPaper is waiting for you. If you liked this video, hit that like button. Otherwise, next time I'll have to write my script on actual paper for you.